Get money back for your business consulting customers. What if I told you your clients could get reimbursed for the very consulting services you provide? Sounds impossible, right? But it's not. This is a real game-changing opportunity that can set you apart as a business consultant. This is where you step in, helping them unlock government subsidies that cover their consulting fees. And before we dive deeper into how this works, be sure to smash that like button and subscribe to never miss out on our videos filled with insights like this. What is the subsidy opportunity, and why should you care? Before we dive deeper, let's take a step back and ask, why should you care about this subsidy? Let's set the stage. SMEs, particularly those with fewer than 250 employees or a turnover of less than 50 million euros, are eligible for government-backed subsidies. These subsidies can cover up to 80% of the consulting fees your clients pay you, with the total value of the subsidy reaching up to 3,500 euros per client per consultation. The opportunity is massive, but only if you, as the consultant, know how to navigate the system. Think about it. You're not just offering traditional business consulting anymore. You're offering a solution that directly impacts your client's bottom line, making your services more attractive, accessible, and essential than ever before. But how can you tap into this potential? Unlocking the process. How your clients can claim subsidies. Getting your clients reimbursed starts with understanding the process. It's not as complex as it may seem, but it requires careful attention to detail. Clients need to pay for the consulting upfront and will then be reimbursed at a rate of up to 80% depending on their location. If your clients are based in specific regions, like the new federal states, excluding Berlin and Leipzig, they can even get up to 2,800 euros back. Your role is to guide them through this process seamlessly. Once the application is submitted and approved, you can sign the contract with your client. From there, the financial process takes its course. The client pays the full amount, submits a transfer receipt, and you, as their consultant, draft a tailored consulting report. The report, along with the transfer receipt, is uploaded to the online portal, and within days, the subsidy is reimbursed. Easy, right? But it's not just about helping your clients fill out paperwork and follow procedures. It's about offering them something they might not have known they were eligible for. The real value is in the service you're providing. By leveraging this subsidy, you're making consulting more affordable and reinforcing your reputation as a consultant who delivers value, not just advice. Are you qualified? Before you can get your clients this money back, you need to ensure you meet the necessary qualifications to act as a registered business consultant eligible for funding. This involves providing evidence such as a company description, key figures, references, and proof of quality management. Here's the catch. To even begin the process of getting your clients reimbursed, you need to be a qualified consultant. You must register as an eligible consulting company, and that means fulfilling certain requirements like having a proven track record, an organized quality management system, and solid references. But don't worry, if you're not already registered, I can guide you through the process and ensure everything is in order for your approval. Think about how much smoother this process could be for you with the right guidance. Once approved, you're ready to start working with clients and helping them access subsidies. What's more, this approval lasts for 2 years, after which a simple update to your quality management system is enough for renewal. What's in it for your clients? The real benefits. Now that we've covered the process, let's look at the advantages for your clients. The biggest one, they get the expertise they need, with up to 80% of the cost covered. That means they can access top-tier consulting services at a fraction of the price. For small business owners, this makes a huge difference in their decision-making process. They no longer have to hesitate when considering investing in quality advice for their business growth. They know the government is backing them. But there's more. These subsidized consultations cover a wide range of business topics, from economic, financial, and personnel issues to organizational management. You'll be offering concrete, actionable recommendations that drive real change in your clients' businesses. And with the emphasis on gender equality, equal opportunities, non-discrimination, and ecological sustainability, your consulting will align with current social trends and regulations, making it even more valuable to your clients. Why this could be your key to growing your consulting business. Think about this. By positioning yourself as a qualified consultant for government-subsidized services, you not only attract new clients but also build long-term relationships. Clients who benefit from the subsidy are more likely to return for additional consultations, because they recognize the value you bring to their business. Additionally, as an advisor who helps clients access funding, you're seen as a valuable partner in their success. You're not just offering services, you're offering opportunities that make their growth possible. This positions you as a forward-thinking, solution-driven consultant who prioritizes your clients' needs, solidifying your reputation in the industry. What's more, leveraging this funding opportunity differentiates you from competitors. It shows potential clients that you're not just another consultant, but someone who goes the extra mile to deliver results while minimizing financial strain. This distinction can be the tipping point for businesses deciding between you and another consultant. The ripple effect is profound. The more businesses you assist, the greater your portfolio becomes. This enhanced credibility attracts even more clients who trust in your ability to provide not only strategic advice, but also financial relief. Over time, this approach helps you establish yourself as a go-to expert in your field, leading to exponential growth in your consulting business. Overcoming the exclusions. Who is not eligible for subsidies? While this funding opportunity sounds incredible, there are some exclusions to keep in mind. Clients who are already in the business consulting sector, including business consultants, auditors, tax consultants, and lawyers, are not eligible for subsidies. Similarly, nonprofit organizations and foundations don't qualify for this funding either. Government entities and large corporations with over 250 employees or a turnover exceeding 50 million euros are also excluded. So, who can benefit? Freelancers, entrepreneurs, small businesses, and any company that meets the specific eligibility criteria are the real winners here. Your target market includes anyone who needs strategic advice but is limited by financial resources. This subsidy gives them the opportunity to invest in their business without the high upfront costs. By understanding and targeting the right clientele, you can maximize your impact and grow your consulting business simultaneously. Aligning your consulting with modern business needs. Here's a twist in the story. Business consulting isn't just about offering advice anymore. To stay relevant in the modern business world, you must integrate social values into your consulting process. With the funding focusing on gender equality, non-discrimination, and sustainability, your consulting services need to reflect these priorities. Your consultations should be designed to address key challenges faced by businesses in today's world. Is your client a woman entrepreneur who's trying to break through in a male-dominated industry? Are they working toward creating a more sustainable business model? These values are more than just buzzwords. They're now critical factors in securing funding. By aligning your approach with these themes, you'll not only increase the likelihood of your clients receiving the subsidy, but also tap into a broader, more socially conscious market. A final thought: seize this opportunity. This is your chance to elevate your business consulting practice and provide your clients with tangible financial support. By guiding them through the process of claiming government subsidies, you're not only offering value, you're also setting yourself apart as a consultant who understands their needs and goes the extra mile to help them succeed. In today's challenging business environment, where resources are often limited, offering subsidized business consultations is more than just a selling point. It's a lifeline. It's an opportunity for you to grow your business while providing an essential service that truly makes a difference in the lives of entrepreneurs. So, what do you think? Could you imagine the ripple effects of these revelations shaking the world of business consulting? Helping your clients get reimbursed for consulting services is a game changer, and it's a path that can revolutionize your practice. Which part of this opportunity stood out to you the most? Drop your thoughts below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more eye-opening stories and business insights.